If I only had 3 minutes with you, I would not talk about skincare, weight loss, or aesthetics. I would talk about emotional discipline because the most powerful glow ups don't start in the mirror, they start in the nervous system. Science tells us this: when you constantly react emotionally, stress, anger, people pleasing, your body stays in survival mode. Cortisol stays high, clarity drops, decision making weakens. That's why some people look tired no matter how put together they are. Real glow comes when you learn to regulate, not react. Emotional discipline means pausing before responding, choosing silence over impulse, not letting every feeling decide your behavior, protecting your energy like it's non renewable. It's not suppression, it's mastery. Neuroscience shows that every time you pause instead of reacting, you strengthen your prefrontal cortex, the part of the brain responsible for self control, confidence, and long term thinking. In simple terms, you become calmer, sharper, and harder to shake. That calm shows on your face, in your posture, in your voice. That's why disciplined people glow differently. They don't chase chaos, they don't argue unnecessarily, they don't explain themselves repeatedly. They choose peace even when ego wants drama. Your internal glow up looks like not oversharing, not needing instant validation, letting discomfort pass without escaping it, staying consistent even when emotions fluctuate. This is why emotional discipline creates confidence. Because when you trust yourself not to spiral, not to overreact, not to self sabotage, you move through life grounded. And grounded people, they attract respect, opportunities, and ease. Ask yourself, where do my emotions currently control my decisions? What situation triggers me repeatedly and why? What would change if I responded instead of reacting? How would my life improve if I trained emotional discipline daily? Here is the truth most people avoid. A physical glow up fades without internal stability, but internal mastery radiates outward. So, yes, work on your appearance, upgrade your environment, refine your style, but don't skip the real work. Train your emotional discipline, practice regulation, choose long term power over short term relief. Because when your inner world is calm, your outer world follows. And that's the glow up that lasts. Pause here for a moment, not to think, but to feel what your body already knows. You don't need to become louder, busier, or harder. You don't need to perform healing or display strength. You need emotional steadiness. Because the version of you who can sit with discomfort without running, who can feel emotions without obeying them, who can choose clarity over chaos, that version is unstoppable. This is what real maturity looks like. This is what self respect sounds like. This is what confidence feel like: quiet, grounded, unshaken. Ask yourself gently, where do I still react when I could regulate? What emotion have I been avoiding instead of understanding? How would my life change if I trusted myself to stay calm under pressure? What would it feel like to choose peace without explaining myself? Now listen carefully. Every time you pause instead of react, your nervous system learns safety. Every time you choose regulation over release, you build internal power. And over time, that power softens your face, steadiness your voice, and changes how the world responds to you. This is the glow up no one can take from you. Not age, not circumstances, not opinions. So go ahead, upgrade the outside, but commit to mastering the inside. Because beauty fades without stability, but emotional discipline that radiates, and the glow that radiates from within never goes out. Thank you for being here.